I'm Val Dior here with Dr. Tom Sellner, an ear, nose, and throat doctor with Carolina ENT with Bon Secours St. Francis Health System. Dr. Sellner, tell us the difference between allergy symptoms and the more serious condition of sinusitis.
Allergies tend to have more mild symptoms. You can have itchy, watery eyes, runny nose, nasal congestion, nasal obstruction, postnasal drip. Stuff that does tend to be more seasonal, so you notice it as weather changes, which is very common here in South Carolina in the spring and fall. Sinusitis is sinus inflammation, and there's two types of sinusitis. There's acute sinusitis, which is more of an infection inside your sinus cavities with the inflammation. Chronic sinusitis is the chronic inflammation due to chronic allergies, chronic obstruction. That's what gives you a lot of the chronic facial pain and pressure, nasal obstruction.
How do you treat sinusitis?
Chronic sinusitis can be treated a number of ways. Initially, you can use medical therapy, but by the time most people come to see an ear, nose, and throat doctor, they have tried the medical therapy. Allergy testing, possible allergy shots would play a role too in terms of controlling the long-term inflammation. And then finally, surgery. One of the surgical options for chronic sinusitis would be balloon sinuplasty.
What is balloon sinuplasty?
One of the newest and most effective ways to treat chronic sinusitis is with balloon sinuplasty. I performed upwards of 4,000 individual sinus balloons over the last 9 years.
Why choose balloon sinuplasty?
The biggest reason why adult and children patients choose to undergo balloon sinuplasty is the recovery. It's now a 1 to 3 day recovery versus a 2 to 3 week recovery. It gives you your quality of life back faster. There's not as much pain, not as much bleeding, and therefore just a lot easier to recover from.
What makes Carolina ENT a special practice?
As ENTs, we're also allergists, so we do every aspect of sinus and allergy treatment. We can do the medical therapy, we can do the allergy testing, allergy shots, and we can do the procedures to help people get rid of the chronic sinusitis. We are the only ear, nose, and throat group in the upstate that's able to provide both in-office and in the operating room balloon sinuplasty.
Thank you, Dr. Tom Sellner with Carolina ENT. For more information, visit stfrancishealth.org.